So we are gonna give our little puppy his first haircut. Hey buddy, hey. He's about 11 months old. He's got really long hair. It's pretty long here, 2-3 inches long. So hey, Copper, you ready for your first haircut? So the first tip that I would suggest is to have a cardboard box, just so he can be comfortable with it a little bit, and he knows his boundaries and he doesn't run away halfway through his haircut. Right, Copper? Hey buddy. Yeah? All right, next, you want to get him acquainted with the tool. Just let him sniff it. Something new for him, so that way he's not too scared when it turns on. All right, Copper, you want to hear it turn on? Let's see what he does. Oh, ooh, a little scary, yeah, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. Look at that. It's okay. It's all right, buddy. Now we'll turn it back off. Let's see. Okay, he's not too scared of it. So let's start. Copper, you ready? No, you look bored. It's all right. I'm getting some hair off. There we go. Good boy. There we go.
Good.
Stand still, buddy. Oh.
Who's a good boy?
Oh, that's actually perfect. Hold him up
You're
there.
a good boy. Yes, you are.
If you need, get some help so he can stand up straight, just like he is right now.
Ready? Bud? It's okay.
Copper's like, what is this falling off of my body? Sit, Copper, sit.
Good boy. Copper. Copper.
It's too sensitive over there.
Copper.
All right, so we cut some of his hair, as you can see. However, he's not letting us finish. He's a little scared. So we're just gonna leave him like that. Just kidding. All right, so we're gonna try to whip out the scissors, see how much we can get with the scissors. If you stand still, I could have easily trimmed you everywhere.
It's like my mane is being cut.
What happened?
It looks tough. Like a cut it, buddy. Casey, what you doing?
Good boy. All right, so this is the haircut. This is what we managed to do. He was a little bit bouncy. Couldn't get everything, but he looks a little bit freshened up. As you can see, he halfway through, he didn't like the machine. He was scared of it, so we used scissors. And as you can see here, we got a lot of layers happening because he was just moving around too much. But overall, I think he's happy. Copper, you happy? You look pretty happy. Copper, what do you think? You like your new haircut? All right, and this is the hair that was left over. A lot of hair from that dog. But let me tell you, this box is a really good idea. So next time you give your puppy a haircut and you can fit in a box, definitely recommend that.